Yeah, welcome back to my teaching. This is your point one. Um, please, we want to continue exponential equation. Let's take a look at those examples. We asked to find the value of x, y, and z in the equation. We have the first one, then we have the second one, and we have the third one. Before wasting any time, let's go straight to solve one and let's see. So let's solve the first one. We have 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 9. Like I said in the introduction part of exponential equation, we want to satisfy both the left hand side and the right hand side. Okay, so this is 3, and we want to also make sure that the right hand side also be 3. So 3 raised to which power can give us 9? If you take 3 to the power x plus 1 is equal to, we have 3 raised to the power what? 2. So 3 raised to the power 2 can give us 9. Now, both the left and the right hand side have the same base. So what do? We cancel and we cancel. So we equate the powers now. That is, x plus 1 is equal to 2. So what do? We transpose the 1. That is, x is equal to, we have 2. This one is going over the equal to sign. Change to what? Negative what? 1. So what do? We now have x is equal to 2 minus 1. We have what? 1. So that is the value for x for the first question. Now let's look at the second question. So we have solved the first one. Let's look at the second question. Let's say this is the second question we have. Let's try to solve it out. All right, so let's try this one, and let's look. We have the left hand side, and here is what? The right hand side. So we want to satisfy both the left and the right hand side. Here is 8 to the power z minus 2. That is, we have 8 to the power z minus 2 is equal to, again, 2 to the power z minus 8. So what do we do here? Because the right hand side here is 2, so we want to find a number that will raise to a power that can give us 8. So it's also what? 2. This is 2, and here also should be 2. Mind you want to satisfy both the left and the right hand side. So what do we do here? We take 2 to the power 3, because only 2 to the power 3 can give us 8. That is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, we have 8. Don't forget to still have a power here that has to be z minus 2. It's equal to, then here again, 2 to the power z minus 8. So what do? We cancel. So after cancellation, the next thing we need to do here is for us to equate the powers. That is, 3 into z minus 2 is equal to z minus what? 8. So what do we do now next? We remove the bracket. That is, 3 times z give us what? 3z minus 3 times 2, 6 is equal to, we have z here minus 8. So what do? We call it like time. So we take 3z, we are coming for this z, change to what? Minus z is equal to, we take what? Minus 8. This 6 is going over, change to what? Plus 6. So 3 minus give us what? 2z is equal to minus 8 minus 6. What do we have? We have minus 2. We are looking out for z. Divide both side by 2. Divide both side by what? 2. So this one we go. So we now have z here is equal to 2 can go to 7 many times? 1. And we have what? Minus 1. So that is it. So we solve the second question. Now let's see whether we'll solve the third question. Okay, so let's try this one. Of course, as usual, we know this is the left hand side, and the 9 here is on the right hand side. So what do we do? Since this is 3 and we want to satisfy both the left and the right hand side here. So now I have 3 to the power root of y is equal to. So here now, we want to take 3 raised to which power can give us 9, the same as what? 3 raised to the power what? 2. So what do? We satisfy both the left and the right hand side. We cancel. So we now have the root of y is equal to 2. So what do? We are not looking out for a root of y, but what? Y. So in mathematics, we have certain thing we need to do. Anytime you have a square root of a value, if you want to remove that square root, we what? We square. And we don't just have to square the left, we still also have to square the right. So what do? The square here, we cancel the square root. So it remains what? Y is equal to 2 to the power 2. We have y, 2 to the power 2 give us 2 times 2, which gives us what? 4. So the value of y there is 4. So that is the answer. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment if you want to see more videos like this. Once more, this is Maury Victor Yopwe. You can call me Yopwe1.